the Painting Baby Hand channel. Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a cute fish step by step. Let's start by drawing. Add a thick outline. Now it's time to coloring. Red color. Orange color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh fiddlesticks.
If you don't have glitter glue, you can use regular glue and sprinkle glitter on top. Green color.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Sky blue color. Purple color. Wait a new videos. See you next time. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.